Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Tip. Today I'm going to be talking about Colab notebooks. They're based on Jupyter, they're hosted on the Google platform, they're integrated with the Google Docs ecosystem, and they run Python and machine learning code. Let's go ahead and get started. If I go here and I Google for Colab, the first link that comes up is what we want. I go through and I look at the sample tutorial. Inside of here, we can see that there's many different features of Colab, including loading and saving files, importing libraries, using Google Cloud BigQuery. You can even run TensorFlow inside of Colab. Let's go through here and look at some of the high-level attributes. First, you can go and change the runtime. In this example, there's Python 3, Python 2. I also have the ability to do GPU acceleration. Let's look at a little more of a complex example though. In this example, I've actually loaded an existing project using Colab notebooks, and if I scroll down here, you can see all the different things that you can do. Anything from creating data visualizations to creating descriptive statistics to performance statistics. Finally, if we look through here, I can even see an interactive plot I've created by using Colab. One of the really great things about Colab is this ability to run Plotly. Inside of here, we can see this data visualization. I can look at Palo Alto. I can see that over the last 30 years, it's had a 6 times appreciation. I can see Beverly Hills has had a 4 times appreciation. And even over here, I can see that Jersey City has actually appreciated 9 times. So this just gives you some of the ideas of the complex features that you can create in an interactive notebook. And obviously you can share those features like you do with Google Sheets or Google Docs. Thank you so much.